Well, the first step in keeping a clean room clean is to cut down on the possibility of contamination. We utilize laboratory coats, gloves, masks when we're actually working with samples. We have a lot of spray bottles around. Bleach Right, in this case, it's a 10% bleach solution, and everything gets sprayed down regularly and wiped down. We keep records of all that. We also have staff profiles, or anybody that's ever coming into a clean room, we get their DNA profile so that we have something to compare to in the event that there is contamination involved. Alright, so when we're processing either bones or teeth, what we need to do is actually collect the cells that are present in the matrix of the bone or the tooth. And so what we have to do is break that matrix up, that hardness that gives us our strength, that bone is our strength. And in this example we have a tooth, and what we do is place the tooth in the mill with the hammer, and this ends up going into the hammer mill, and that grinds that into a fine powder. We then take that powder out of here and place it into these little extraction tubes. These extraction tubes usually will have about three or four tubes worth, because we want to make sure we have enough DNA. And we will take this and place this into the extraction robot with the reagents that we use for the kit. And that goes right into these slots. Just like that. And shut that. And about 20 minutes later, out comes the DNA that's been extracted. And so what's happening in this robot is actually it's trapping the DNA up against a magnet on magnetic beads. We're then able to wash the DNA that's now present. We're able to wash that of all the contaminants and all of the bits that were still in the solution, wash that away, and then get the purified DNA. And the purified DNA is then placed into the normal DNA process, where we determine how much DNA is present through quantitation, an amplification step to make sure that we have lots and lots of copies to actually look at, and then we run it on a capillary electrophoresis instrument to actually generate the profile.